Hi, this is Abisola Adepitan, your host on Maranatha teaching channel. Today I have a special guest on Maranatha teaching channel today. She's my sister, she's a very close friend, and I believe that you are going to be blessed by the ministry that God has committed into her hands. So please sit back and listen very carefully, because I believe there is a word that is coming to you today.
I want us to go together on a journey to Gethsemane, the place of agony, the place Jesus Christ was always going when he was here on earth. His last visit to Gethsemane was in the company of 11 out of his 12 disciples. He went with them, and it was a very, very significant one, because it was going to be his last opportunity to teach his disciples, as it were, and all of us, the way to submit unto the way of the Lord. So I'm going to actually take us from the Luke account, Luke chapter 22, and then from verse 39. So it reads, "And he came out and went as he was wont to the Mount of Olives, and his disciples also followed him. And when he was at the place, he said unto them, Pray that ye enter not into temptation. And he was withdrawn from them, about a stone cast, and kneeled down and prayed, saying, Father, if thou be willing, remove this cup from me. Nevertheless, not my will, but thine be done." So, the Gethsemane, as we are seeing it in the scripture, was not just a place of agony, it was also the place of strengthening. In our life's journey, we must know that the time of agony comes. And when the time of agony comes, we could be sure that if we make the right cry, the time of strengthening is just about to come. So the time of agony, the way we are seeing it here, is the time you go to God in prayer to make it known unto him what is it that is so difficult. Difficulties, therefore, I would say, is opportunity for you to give in to the will of God. It comes to train you to know how to give in to what God wants you to give into. Here, Jesus Christ was with his disciples, and he was able to tell them that you've got to be praying. When you come to Gethsemane, you come to the place of prayer. He took them there, and it looks to me like it was an all-night prayer meeting. It was a vigil. So everywhere you can create a Gethsemane. When it looks like you are confused, when it looks like your loved ones are suddenly not showing you the right kind of fellowship you used to take from them, when everything seems to be opposing you, when you appear depressed, when it looks to you like you are not just happy, you don't know why, everything seems to be fine, but you aren't just happy, Gethsemane is asking you to set him up. So you can always set up a Gethsemane. Here, Jesus Christ went up onto the Mount of Olives. Your Gethsemane could be in your bedroom. It could be in your office. Are you a teacher? It could even be when you are teaching your students in the classroom. God wants us always to pray, and that is what we have in the book of Thessalonians, that we should always pray. God wants you to pray when it looks like you want to take a decision, when it is that you are happy, when it is that you are not happy, when you want to give a counsel, when a friend seems to get you wrong. At all times, you can always set up a Gethsemane. Gethsemane is the place of prayer. Gethsemane is the place of agony. Gethsemane is also the place of strengthening. A person that gets to Gethsemane and is not taking up business is not being fervent. The Bible says, we must pray fervently. So Gethsemane is not a place you get to like the disciples and then you start sleeping. Jesus Christ had an explanation. He gave an excuse for them. He said they were very sorrowful. Of course, they'd been working together, but then he was saying unto them that, yes, you are very tired, but you've got to still pray. Make sure you pray. Make sure you pray. So at Gethsemane, you forbid temptations from overcoming you. At Gethsemane, you receive the strength to overcome every kind of temptation that could want to come. Your marriage today might be noisy. The kind of calmness you want there might not be there. Your children might be making so much noise. Please, the time is here for you to set up a Gethsemane. Jesus Christ got an answer. He got the needed strength. The strength your son needs will be gotten here. The strength your wife needs will be gotten here. The strength your husband needs will be gotten here. The strength that you need will be gotten here. The way forward, you are going to get it if you will just go on to Gethsemane. However, like Jesus Christ said, not my will, but your will be done. Many times we go to Gethsemane, yes, but we come back like without an answer. It's because we didn't go, furnishing ourselves with this heart that the will of the Master must be done. Whatever it might be that you are passing through, whatever it looks like. I don't know for how many years it's been. You know, like in the case of the woman with the issue of blood, it's been like that with her for 12 years. But that day, right in the open place, it got to her Gethsemane. You can get to your own Gethsemane today. It doesn't matter where you are. It doesn't matter for how long you've been in this situation. If truly you are going to say to the Lord, your will be done, then His will be done. I'm happy to tell you that His will is for you to have victory. I'm happy to tell you that His will is for you to be made great. I'm happy to tell you that His will is for you to be the king that He made you to be, because He said He's given you a kingdom. The Lord help you as you will revive your prayer life today, and as you will furnish yourself with this attitude that was found in Jesus Christ. God, not my will, but your will be done. This is a very strong key that you need so that doors will be opened unto you.
You're welcome back. I believe that teaching has been a blessing to you, so please join us next time on Maranatha Teaching Channel. God bless you. Bye.